Would you like to learn how to make some delicious air-fried apples? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
So of course you're going to need some apples for this air-fried apples recipe, but the exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. You can use any kind of apples that you like for this air-fried apples recipe. I'm using gala apples and some yellow apples. And I'm just gonna slice them in half and take the core out just like so. Next, we gotta make us a delicious crunchy topping for the apples. I'm using some steel-cut oats. Steel-cut oats are better for you because they're less processed. They keep the whole grain fully intact, which is better for us. But they are super tough if you don't pre-soak them. So regular oats would be just fine here too. Next, I'm gonna add some brown sugar to the oats, as well as some Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnadust. If you know, you know. But you can use regular cinnamon too. And I'm also going to add some melted butter. I've been trying to come up with healthier snack alternatives. And yeah, I know butter and brown sugar ain't all that healthy. But at least it's better than a whole sleeve of Oreos or something like that. Child, we taking baby steps, okay? Now after I sprinkle a little of that Cinnadust all over the apples, next I'm gonna take the topping and place the topping on top of the apples as well. I'm gonna be baking these apples in my air fryer oven, but if you don't have an air fryer oven, you could just pop them right on in your air fryer basket and cook them at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. And they'll come out looking something like this. Yes, good. And we gotta bump up the yumminess by adding some raw honey. Sure do. Then after you get some honey squeezed all over the apples, after that, it's done.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm in the kitchen, don't know what I'm doing, stumbling. This time I try to cook, I burn it all, it was so humbling. Lisa, help me please, yeah. You got what I need, yeah. Help me.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. These baked air-fried apples came out so delicious. Even without the ice cream that I had to force my big back self not to put on them, they were still so good, baby. A fall-time treat that works well in the springtime as well. Well, I hope you try and like the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
So good. Make sure you like and subscribe and you make it so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.